Good morning, guys. Welcome once again. Good to know about you all, how things are. Thank you for joining. All right, long time not see you, right? I hope you have enjoyed all this short or long vacation. Good. Thank you for your answers. Okay, I'm going to wait some time, a little bit. Thank you. Hello, Demian. Good to see you here. Hope you're doing great. Merly, how are you? Are you ready for the play? I hope so. Good morning, Andre Guzman. Thank you for joining this class. All right, I'm giving access for some of your classmates. Thank you. Okay. A little bit sleep. Okay, good. I know you're famous. Okay, thank you, Melly. Okay, guys, thank you again. As I told you, well, you have been receiving classes for this from yesterday, yes, from Wednesday, and now, today, and tomorrow's. Okay, so these classes are just to see if you are attentive, if you have been attentive for the classes, and to know about your knowledge, your understanding for different topics. I have done this a little bit different, not as usual, but it regards to the topics that we have developed these recent classes. All right, thank you. All right, guys, there's nothing left. I hope everybody is okay. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, Avi. Very good. Brandon, good morning. Celeste, excellent. Fernanda, I hope you're doing well. Katia, very good. Henry, Kevin, thank you. Kayla, hey, excellent. Monica, very good. Pablo, thank you. And Sebastian. Julio, how are you today? Thank you. Good morning, Henry. All right, let's get started. So today's Thursday, November 12th. We're about to finish all this year, and you are ready to pass the next grade, okay? I hope everybody, right? I hope everybody can do it. All right, review on contents. That's our main topics. Review on contents. What kind of contents? Well, you're gonna see it. So let's see. Let's begin with this. I have a tricky question for you. No, it's not tricky, but something that you may know. What can you remember? What can you remember from these topics? About what? You can be wondering yourself. So, according to this, remember we saw something related to rainforest, right? It was a video. It was a particular video about that. So, my question is the second question. I mean, why do you think it's important to keep plants? I decided to write plants because plants, it's according to the video, it has a primarily uh, importance, right? So give me your opinions, any opinion that you can have. Okay, okay. Thank you, Melly. Are gonna be the ones who keeps us alive in the future. Yes, definitely. Definitely we need to keep them because the baby plants, as you said, we need to water them. We need to take care of them. We need to give the importance, the real importance, real importance. Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Abby. Because plants produce oxygen. Yes, and clean the air. Exactly. As you know, according to science class, you were taught about that every time that we breathe, we take out, right? Carbon dioxide. So, and that carbon dioxide has to be cleaned. And that's the role that plants do. Right. Thank you for your answers. So, different opinions. Let's see. Thank you. They give us, yes. Thank you, Michelle. Oxygen. Very good. Okay, so here we have different opinions. Just for have fun? Just because my plants look good in my garden. Nah, right? Just, this is serious, exactly. Another one, for a stronger reason, like what? Like you mentioned before, because plants produce oxygen and they are going to be, in the future if we care of them. Exactly. And another one, to save the environment. I think that's the main purpose. Keep in mind this. So I think this year happened. It happened, that thing. So the Amazonas, right? The Amazons had a big issue. So they get burned. And nowadays we don't know how did it happen? How did that occur? But according to some experts, they say that Amazonas, they have a big influence in our world, into the world. So we need to take care of them. Not only Amazonas. So we need to take care of every single plant that we see, we have. Thank you. Climate, yes, definitely. Exactly. I totally agree with you, Andre Guzman, because they take care the climate. And if that happens, so if we don't give the real importance for them, they will not take care of that purpose. And the climate can change, the weather can change rapidly. Yes, thank you. Exactly, Michelle, the lungs, they are the lungs of Latin America. Yes, the Amazons, very good. All right, let's continue. Thank you for your assistance. So I need you to watch this video. Please pay attention and carefully with this. I'm going to be asking some questions. So let's see if I can play it. Please let me know if you can listen to the video. Can you?
Shrouded in a blanket of clouds,
okay,
they
thank you.
awaken. Their canopies of green glitter in the sun. Their wildlife start to slither, chirp, and growl. And one of the planet's richest ecosystems comes to life. Rainforests are the oldest living ecosystems on the planet. Some can trace their origins to over 70 million years ago, back to a time when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. While the giant reptiles have disappeared, rainforests continue to thrive, growing on every continent except Antarctica. Two types of rainforests are scattered across the globe: temperate and tropical. Temperate rainforests are mainly found in the mid-latitudes, often near cooler, coastal, mountainous regions. Tropical rainforests are primarily located in warmer climates between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. As their names imply, temperate and tropical rainforests are the wettest forests on Earth, receiving up to about 33 feet of rain per year. This precipitation plays a critical role in creating an exceptionally lush and biologically diverse habitat. While rainforests only make up about 6% of the Earth's surface area, they are home to over half of the world's plant and animal species. This biodiversity creates benefits that extend far beyond the rainforest boundaries. Rainforest plants produce an assortment of food items, in addition to ingredients useful in everyday products and medicines. In fact, an estimated 70% of the plants used in cancer treatments are only found in rainforests. On an even larger scale, rainforests help to stabilize the planet's climate. Its lush green vegetation regulate global temperatures by absorbing massive amounts of radiation from the sun. They also absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and convert them into oxygen, about 40% of the planet's breathable air. Over the past few centuries, rainforests have disappeared at an alarming rate. Factors such as economic inequalities, human development, and demand for natural resources have fueled the deforestation of these rich ecosystems. At the current rate, rainforests, which have survived for over 70 million years, may completely disappear within the next century. But through educational campaigns, sustainable logging practices, and cooperation with local communities, deforestation may begin to slow down, helping preserve rainforests for many generations to come.
All right. I hope everybody has had listened to the video and watch it. So, do you consider that I need to play it again? Or it's enough? Could you understand it at all? Yes? No? What do you think, guys? Let me know, please, through the chat. Okay, again, one more time. Good. Thank you, Avi. Thank you, Andrea. Very good. I do it. Okay, wait. I need to... Okay.
Shrouded in a blanket of clouds, shrouded in a blanket of clouds, they awaken. Their canopies of green glitter in the sun. Their wildlife start to slither, chirp, and growl. And one of the planet's richest ecosystems comes to life. Rainforests are the oldest living ecosystems on the planet. Some can trace their origins to over 70 million years ago, back to a time when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. While the giant reptiles have disappeared, rainforests continue to thrive, growing on every continent except Antarctica. Two types of rainforests are scattered across the globe: temperate and tropical. Temperate rainforests are mainly found in the mid-latitudes, often near cooler, coastal, mountainous regions. Tropical rainforests are primarily located in warmer climates between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. As their names imply, temperate and tropical rainforests are the wettest forests on Earth, receiving up to about 33 feet of rain per year. This precipitation plays a critical role in creating an exceptionally lush and biologically diverse habitat. While rainforests only make up about 6% of the Earth's surface area, they are home to over half of the world's plant and animal species. This biodiversity creates benefits that extend far beyond the rainforest boundaries. Rainforest plants produce an assortment of food items, in addition to ingredients useful in everyday products and medicines. In fact, an estimated 70% of the plants used in cancer treatments are only found in rainforests. On an even larger scale, rainforests help to stabilize the planet's climate. Its lush green vegetation regulate global temperatures by absorbing massive amounts of radiation from the sun. They also absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and convert them into oxygen, about 40% of the planet's breathable air. Over the past few centuries, rainforests have disappeared at an alarming rate. Factors such as economic inequalities, human development, and demand for natural resources have fueled the deforestation of these rich ecosystems. At the current rate, rainforests, which have survived for over 70 million years, may completely disappear within the next century. But through educational campaigns, sustainable logging practices, and cooperation with local communities, deforestation may begin to slow down, helping preserve rainforests for many generations to come.
All right, I think we are done. So, according to the video, I suggest you to,
Glitter in
let's see, to get an idea. Okay, I'm not going to be asking you some tricky questions. No, something that is common according to the video, rainforest. So here's the first question. A rainforest can receive up to rainfall. We are talking about rainfall. Here we have the options, the possibilities. 43 feet per year, 23 feet per year, or 33 feet per year. What do you think, guys? Is the best one? 23, 43, 33? Okay, some of you got it. Thank you. It's the other one, Melly, it's the other one. In this case, it's the last one, 33 feet per year. They can receive up to that. So the equivalent about that, 33 feet, is 10 meters per year. Can you imagine that amount of water? Wow, right? 10 meters. Yes, Andrea Guzman, thank you. So the correct one for this one is the last one, 33 feet per year, about rainfall. Good. Nice try. Nice try. Let's see the other question. Okay. Wait. Give me a moment. Got it. All right. Number 2. Specifically, there are 2 types of rainforest. Temperate, the other one, warm or tropical. What do you guys think? Exactly, that is one. And the other one? 1 and 3. Melly says 1 and 3. Good. Temperate and tropical. Very good. Thank you, Abby, Melly, and Guzman. Hey, how about the rest? Brandon, any idea? Celeste, Demian, Fatima? Okay, so the answer for number 2 is this one, and that one. Okay, temperate. Good. So according to the video, this video, nice. Let's erase one more time. This is just to see if you have been attentive. Okay, extra information about this. Please, who wants to read this paragraph? This information, this important information. Who wanna read it, please? Any volunteer? Go ahead, Melly. Thank you. Thank you, Abby. Okay, later on. Thank you. Go ahead, Melly.
Temperate, found in the mid-latitudes or cooler coastal mountainous regions, while tropical are mainly located in warmer climates between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn.
Capricorn, yes, good. So here we are discussing about the 2 different scenarios about rainforest, the 2 different types of this particular topic, temperate and tropical. Good. This is just an information that you can keep it. Thank you, Melly. Go ahead. And let's see another one. Another question. What's the average of animals and plants over the world according to this? So here we have 35% or 45%. Another one, 75% or 50%. Thank you, Rebe. Very good. Nice. Very good. You nailed it. Andrea Guzman, excellent. Is 50% according to that study. Good. To the video as well. Thank you. It's 50%. They make that complement. They make that average. All right. So we need to take care of them. That's why some people make campaigns, in order to save those animals and species of plants. Good. Let's erase it. And to continue. All right. And I think this is the last one, according to this video. What are some benefits that rainforest can have? So I have one for you all, but can you remember the other ones or the others? Absorb solar radiation. That is one benefit and one purpose. That's why we need to keep in mind. Another one, who can mention another one that you remember from the video? It has to be with the, I ask you, or I told you, according to carbon. Well, you decided to write the abbreviation. Good. No problem, Ellie. Transform, exactly, carbon dioxide into oxygen. Very good. Absorb carbon dioxide. Very good. Thank you, Andrea. Abby, you nailed it. Splendid. Very good. Okay, let me show you. Absorb, exactly, carbon dioxide. They transform. It's like they clean, in simple words, all that thing, and then create about 40% of Earth breathable air. That's why we are breathing and freely, right? We don't have any issues with that. Good. Thank you, Andrea Guzman. Excellent answer. All right. Any questions about this? Any questions so far? Did you like it? All right. Important information just to keep in mind. Good, for sure. All right. And I'm sorry, this is the last one for this video. Can you mention, look at this. Can you mention some of the causes why all these rainforests are disappearing recently? They were mentioned into the video. Let's see if you remember them. Here's the first one, human development. That's why I think this is the top, number one. Global warming, okay. Another cause that we can consider, we can bring it back. Exactly. Thank you. Another one, thank you, Melly. Any other opinion? Demian, Fernanda, Henry, Katia, Kayla, Nicole. Okay, thank you. Anything that you remember? Sebastian, Pame. All right. Pablo, thank you. Here we have another one, just to help you, okay? Just in case you don't remember them. Let's see, inequalities. You know what I mean? Inequalities? What's the meaning of that word? It has to be with social injustice, right? In discrepancy. So some people, or well, the majority of people are building something and they want to build those enterprises, those companies, and they need to, you know, they are they are using deforestation. That's why all these rainforests are disappearing. Well, different causes, many causes. And another one, thank you, Andrea Guzman, bad distribution of resource. Good. I have one more, demand of natural resources. In this case, specifically, deforestation, as I told you. I think that is the main demand. That's why people continue, you know, cutting off all these plants and animals, all right, and killing. Okay, you mentioned some of them. Distribution, exactly, very good. Global warming, exactly. Thank you. Let's see. All right. According to this, we saw a topic related to wave power. So here I have brought back to for you just to see this video. Let's see. This is short. Well, I think. Yes, but the questions are, I have a few questions for this one. Okay, just see it and pay attention. Let's see.
The water of the oceans of the world is almost always in motion. Hardly ever interrupted, waves break at the coastlines, sometimes strong, sometimes weaker. There is an enormous energy potential that is available round the clock and free of charge. A potential that, if fully exploited, could satisfy 40% of the worldwide demand for power. This equals the output of 700 to 800 nuclear power stations. Voith Hydro Wavegen is developing technologies to convert this inexhaustible energy into electric power without the emission of harmful greenhouse gases. The operating principle of this wave power station is as simple as it is ingenious. An enclosed chamber has an opening beneath sea level, which allows water to flow from the sea to the chamber and back. The water level in the chamber rises and falls with the rhythm of the waves, and air is forced forwards and backwards through the turbine, connected to an upper opening in the chamber. As it is compressed and decompressed, the airflow has sufficient power to drive the Wells turbine. It is a feature of the Wells turbine, named after its inventor, that it is driven in the same direction by both forward and reverse airflow through the turbine. Even relatively low wave motions can generate enough airflow to keep the turbine moving and to generate energy. This is how easily energy can be generated with a wave power station, day and night, all year round, as long as there are waves. The world's first power station of this kind was put in service as early as November 2000 on the Scottish island of Islay and has been feeding power to the grid ever since. Voith Hydro Wavegen is convinced of the commercial potential of wave energy. We are certain that our wave power stations can make a significant contribution to supplying the world with climate-friendly energy. Voith, engineered reliability.
Okay, let's see. We have an idea about what is a power station or wave power according to some topics ago. But let's see if we have the understanding enough to consider uh, these questions. Okay, I will help you, no problem. If you don't get it, if you didn't get it. Speaking of wave power station, the video, what calls your attention from it? Any idea, any opinion, any argument? What calls your attention from this video, from this power station, wave power station? Okay, the huge and inner machine, yes. And by the way, Nelly, that is expensive, too expensive. Imagine, can you afford it? We need to be rich to do that. How water can be converted energy? Yes, Fernanda, excellent opinion. Exactly. So remember, some scientists are studying, are developing some machines, some different ways how to create energy instead of saving the natural resources. So, and they have to extract the power, in this case, wave power. Good. The one that makes like steam or something. Yes, it works like that. Exactly. Well done. All right. Another question. Let's see if you get it. When was the first world's power station? I will give you the options. Take a look at this. We have September 2000, December 2000, or November 2000. It was mentioned into the video. The one, okay. Sure? 100% sure, Melly? You are close. You are close. I know. Okay. No problem. Any idea, guys? Any boy? Any gentleman? Sebastian? What can you add about this? According to this question, when was the first world's power station? Okay, let's see. I think nobody get it. Avi, very good. Excellent. Okay. Well done. No problem, Sebastian. You're honest. Thank you. So, and this one is the last one. It's November. It was November 2000. That was the first power station that they set. Very good. All right. This was a tricky question. I think we'll have one more. Let's see. All right. And the last one. Do you think these power stations can supply the world? You know, can give all the resources that the world needs? Yes. Why? Support your reason. No. Why not? 20 years ago. Why, Andrea? Let me know why you decided to write that. Is this new? Okay, exactly. 20 years ago. Ah, I got it. Okay, thank you. Exactly. Andrea Guzman says because it's very expensive. Definitely, we cannot afford it. Those kind of machines. Or we needed to lend a loan, to ask in the bank to a loan, you know, to have money, enough money. Okay, another reason? Thank you, Andrea. Sebastian, thank you. Both, they really help, but they are bad for the, okay, environment or the ecosystem. Good. Okay, nice opinion. Of course, I mean, maybe not at all on the necessities. Okay, it depends, right? It depends the country or where this power station can be located. Because imagine here in El Salvador, we needed to associate with different people just to afford that machine. And when that machine breaks down, imagine, wow, just to fix it, it's expensive. Okay, thank you, Abby. But okay, a solar panel. Exactly, another way we can use it. If we have many costs, okay, where we can build them. But to do that, we need to develop them so they could be cheaper. Okay, exactly. Just to ask, a cheaper machine are pretty expensive, but you don't contaminate or pollute. Yes, more or more. It's like if these actions stop those. Okay, great arguments, great arguments. According to this, well, we can expand our ideas about this topic because it's very interesting. By the way, we saw a little bit from this, but I know you are aware about this. So guys, there's nothing left to tell you. This was just a review according to different contents. And I hope you have enjoyed and like and learn. That's the main purpose. Thank you. Thank you for your great assistance, guys. Thank you. And I hope you are doing great, as I told you at the beginning of the class. And keep in touch, please. Keep in touch. Get in touch with me in case you cannot connect to the class. And you're not going to send anything, okay, about homework. You don't have to send anything. Just be here, connected, get online, and participating. Thank you. Okay, see you for tomorrow's class. Take care. Have a great day. And see you tomorrow's class. All right? If you have any question, please let me know as soon as possible. Thank you, Sebastian. Take care. Thank you, Meli. Get ready, okay? Get ready. Thank you, Andrea Guzman. Take care. Have a good one. God bless you. Thank you, Sebastian. See you around. Thank you, Katia. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Get in touch. Thank you. All right. God bless you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, Abby. God bless you. Thank you.